Welcome. This is the first vlog. Oh, it's very orangey. This is the first vlog on the new camera. I'm making Mum's birthday cake. Mum's chosen from Max's new book that he got me for my birthday. This Hummingbird Cake. I'll put the recipe in the description. That's what it should look like. So hopefully it's going to look like that. It's a banana and pineapple cake. Yeah, Rudy's barking. We don't know why. But let's go. So I recommend just sieving your pineapple quite soon after you start, because then you can just get all the juices to run out of it so it doesn't go all mushy. And the pineapple that we're using is pineapple from, it's on the bottom of the lid on here. It's from December 2007. So don't worry how old your pineapple is, because any pineapple is good pineapple. And now you're going to want to preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 160 degrees fan, or gas mark 4, which I don't know what that is, but I'm sure some people do. There you go, preheat away. The first thing you want to do, mash up your bananas. 270 grams of these lovely things. They've got varying degrees of ripeness and mouldiness. There we go. Just give these a mash. That'll be good. So once you got all them, you're going to give them a mash. Let's go. Mash. And mash. There it is. Lovely mashed banana. Okay, now the next step is to actually start making your cake. So you've got to get your 300 grams of caster sugar. Just like that. Almost there. Yeah, that'll do. That will do. That will do. That will do. And then you want to add your 300 milliliters of sunflower oil. It was 300 milliliters in this jug, but obviously some got stuck to the jug. Maybe. So we can just add a little bit more, which I have very close to me here. There we go. Probably a bit too much now, that's fine. And now you're going to want to crack your eggs. It says say 3, but I normally use 4 because they're quite small. There's a bit of scale there. I'm going to so let's do it. You need 3 eggs. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, the bananas and the eggs and the oil and the sugar are all in there. And now I'm going to add the cinnamon. I normally just do it by eye. This is a teaspoon, but I just normally go probably a bit over. Yeah, probably enough. Then we're going to give it a good old mix. Down. And mix it so it sort of looks a bit like this. Don't worry if it looks a bit split. Mine doesn't, but if it does, don't worry. You're going to start add the dry stuff in now. So you're going to want to put in 300 grams of plain flour, a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and a very small capful of vanilla extract. And I'm a firm believer of the all-in-one method, but this is a slowly add type of thing. So you want to slowly add and then give it a mix, little by little, and it should all come together lovingly. So I'm going to continue adding the rest of this, and then we'll see what it's like. So now it's all stirred, and you should have something that's quite thick consistency, really. That's what it should look like. And now for the pineapple, you're going to want 100 grams of pineapple. I always prefer to put a little bit extra in, and anything that you do have left in the tin can be used to make a pineapple upside down cake, for example, which I can show in another video. And then you're going to want to chop that up into small pieces like that. And also another thing you could do with it, pineapple on pizza, my favourite. And with the pineapple, you're going to want 100 grams of pecans, shelled, but if you don't have pecans, you can use walnuts. I don't have 100 grams of pecans, so I'm using walnuts with them. And you're going to want an extra 50 grams to decorate the top of the cake as well. And give them a chop. And then you want to fold these in, or you can just stir them, I think, just until they're all incorporated. And now, just quickly grease and flour your tins. There's 3 tins you need, all the same size. Okay, mixture in the tins. Time to put them in the oven. And now they go in for 20 to 25 minutes. And I do recommend swapping over the ones on the top and the one on the bottom every 10 or so minutes so they all have a chance to sit on top. Now that the cakes are out of the oven and they look pretty good, time to make the icing. You're going to want 100 grams of soft butter. Yeah, 100 grams, perfect. And you'll also need 250 grams of cream cheese. That's 249. That's pretty much perfect. Yeah, it's great. And the recipe does ask for 600 grams of icing sugar. I'm not sponsored by the pantry, but if anyone wants to sponsor me, go ahead. I'm not going to put that much in. I'm going to put in about 200. We'll see how it goes for now. And then you want to give this a mix. I'll come back when it's all mixed up. And now that's all mixed together, it's time to ice the cake. You can see my little finger mark there. Well, I tried it. And it does taste delicious. Now it's time to ice the cake. So let's go. And there you have it. All iced to the best of my ability. And now you can decorate the top with some nuts if you like. I'll just show you what the final cake looks like in a moment. There it is, all finished for Mum's birthday. Hummingbird cake. Now it's time to share the cake with everybody. That's the best part of the cake given.
Hummingbird cake.
Hummingbird cake. Wow.
Ooh, look at those layers. Moist.
So what do you make of your competition?
For sure mine is the best here. That one looks a bit raw maybe. A bit raw probably, it doesn't look great. I mean mine looks pretty banging really.
Yours looks pretty solid though.
Yeah,
solid as in
moist.
Not solid as in good, I mean solid as in
like pretty
dense.
I think I do actually try some. What do you think, Katie?
You're going to eat it in the toilet.
I take 3 days to make this.
Whoa, that's epic.
Really?
Yeah. And it shows.
3 days? That's a mark of a bad cake actually. 3 days to make a cake.
I'll have a sip please.
That's bad. 3 days.
The other side. Oh yeah.
And that is how you make a lovely hummingbird cake. The other cakes were okay, but mine was for sure the best. Anyway, this was something new, you know, bacon video. If you want to see more, let me know. If you don't, also let me know. That was just a stopgap for the proper content coming out. You know, we've got the end of uni, graduation, maybe a new baby. Well, there is a new baby. My birthday, lots more to come. Stay tuned. Now the next step,
Sorry, I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. It looks like there's an issue with the router and Echo device.
Great.
So try restart.